Hi, I'm BJ with Wicked OSHA, and today we're going to learn about the Programs tab. At the main page of the app, scroll down to Programs and click it. Here you'll find the OSHA required programs. Your company name will self-populate throughout all the programs when you first sign up, like this. Here you'll find your company's name. We also have a hyperlink to OSHA. And we have other helpful links as well. Another nice feature is John Smith is your safety program administrator and will be on all your programs. But if John leaves, simply navigate to our Program Settings tab, enter his replacement, and the new employee's name will populate in all the programs. Or if you have different employees in these different roles, you can fill out that information as well. All of our programs are key in federally ran state. So if you're going to work in another state, we got your back. Go to State and Territory Programs. We'll use California. Click the link, and it goes directly to their page. Maybe ladder height is different in California than in your home state. You can add a comment. And once you click Submit Comment, all your programs will be updated within seconds. We also have a function that date and timestamps any revisions done to your programs, like this. You can see the date of the last revision and the number of revisions. Going back, we also have the public sector covered. Well, that's it for today's Wicked tutorial. Thank you.